Ladies and gentlemen, today we embark on an intellectual journey through the corridors of ancient wisdom, guided by two of the most remarkable Stoic philosophers, Epictetus and Seneca the Younger. Though united by the Stoic tradition, their philosophical approaches, writings, and emphases provide a rich tapestry of thought that continues to resonate in the modern world. Epictetus, the philosophy of acceptance. Epictetus, born a slave and later a prominent teacher, focused on the dichotomy of control. His teachings are encapsulated in the words, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Epictetus's philosophy centers on the acceptance of things as they are, differentiating between what we can control and what we cannot. For Epictetus, the path to tranquility and wisdom lay in understanding that our control extends only to our own actions, judgments, and desires. External events, other people's actions, and material possessions lie outside our sphere of influence. By embracing this realization, Epictetus believed that individuals could achieve a state of inner peace, regardless of external circumstances. Seneca the Younger, the practical philosopher. Seneca, on the other hand, was a statesman, playwright, and philosopher who navigated the complex political landscape of ancient Rome. His writings are filled with practical wisdom, offering guidance on how to live a virtuous life in the midst of societal pressures and material temptations. Seneca's Stoicism emphasizes moral integrity, personal reflection, and engagement with the world. He believed in the transformative power of philosophy, not just as an abstract discipline, but as a daily practice. His letters and essays are filled with insights on anger management, the value of time, friendship, and the fleeting nature of wealth. While Epictetus stresses acceptance and the understanding of control, Seneca leans more toward active engagement with life's challenges, armed with wisdom and ethical principles, shared Stoic foundations. Despite these differences, both philosophers share core Stoic beliefs. They teach that virtue is the highest good, that emotions should be mastered rather than suppressed, and that the universe operates according to a rational principle, the logos. Virtue is the highest good. Both Epictetus and Seneca argue that virtue is not just one among many goods, but the ultimate goal of human life. Virtue is not relative to circumstances, it's an absolute standard against which all actions are to be measured. Mastery over emotions. They also emphasize the importance of mastering emotions rather than being enslaved by them. While emotions are natural, both philosophers teach that we should not let them dictate our actions or judgments. Universal reason, logos. Both believe in a universe governed by reason. This belief underpins the Stoic view that living in accordance with nature or reason is the path to a fulfilled life. Epictetus and Seneca, though sharing the Stoic umbrella, offer unique perspectives. Epictetus, with his emphasis on acceptance and control, provides a philosophical framework for inner tranquility. Seneca, with his practical wisdom, guides us in navigating the complexities of daily life with moral integrity. Their teachings are not contradictory but complementary, each providing insights that are applicable in different contexts. Together, they paint a comprehensive picture of Stoicism, a philosophy that continues to inspire, challenge, and guide us in our quest for wisdom, virtue, and a meaningful life. As we reflect on their words, we are reminded that philosophy is not a relic of the past, but a living tradition that speaks to the human condition across time and space.